Hello, my name is Yanis. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about conditional formatting. The conditional formatting option is on the Home tab. And this option allows us to make things a lot more simple to identify, to see. For example, if I would like to see here any value that is above £500 to basically highlight it in a particular color, and any total here, net pay, that is below £500 to highlight in a different color, I can actually do that. Therefore, I can actually identify easily and quickly which values are higher than £500 and which values are lower than £500. So let's change that here just to make it a bit more interested. Let's make it £600 there. Okay, so if I highlight this the whole column here, I could actually go to the conditional formatting and select a new rule. The rule I'm going to apply is a format only cells that contain, and then I'm going to select specific text. In this case, I'm going to select net pay. So I'm going to say net pay. I'm going to click format, and I'm going to select for the fill color, I'm going to select the fill color that I've got here. And for the font color, I'm going to click on the font. I'm going to change the font color that I've got there. Select that one here. And if I click OK, and I click OK again, nothing has changed. That's how I want it. Then I'm going to go to the conditional formatting. Then I'm going to show you why I have applied this rule here. I'm going to go to the new rule. I'm going to add a new format only cell that contain. So cell value, instead of between, I'm going to say greater than or equals. So greater than or equals to 500. So if it's £500 or more, then I want the format to change. So the font color, I'm going to change it to white. And the fill color, I'm going to change it to green. And click OK. Now, I'm going to add another rule here. So click OK. I'm going to add another rule here. As you can see here, the formatting has changed here. I'm going to show you how to fix this in a minute. I'm going to go to here, manage rules. And here, let's bring it to the top. Apply. Yeah, that's better. So we need to put it to the top. Otherwise, it's picking up the other conditional format. All right. The next rule we're going to add. So let's add a new rule. Format only cell. And the value will be less than £500. And I'm going to change the background color to red and the fill color to white. And I can make it bold as well. And click OK. And click OK again. All right, so I've got the formatting. So if I click apply now, I've got everything in place now. The last thing I need to do is basically remove any formatting, any of this formatting on the blank fields. So I need to add a new rule for that. Select the new rule, select format only cells that contain. From the drop down list, I'm going to select blanks. And I'm going to change the formatting here, the fill color, to this color here. So nothing has changed basically. And I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click apply. And as you can see now, if I click OK, if I add a new record, let's add a couple extra records here. The formatting is applied. If I change this value to £400, it's below £500. If I change that to £500, it will not change. But if I change it to 499, £499 and 99 pence, is still red. So as soon as I put a penny up, then it will turn into green. Okay, to indicate that this is greater than or equals to 500. This is one way to apply conditional formatting. Another way to apply conditional formatting is to duplicate records. Obviously, there's lots of other reasons why you're going to apply conditional formatting. But I'm just going to show you the two main reasons. I already show you one. The next reason to apply conditional formatting is to basically identify duplicate records. For example, here I've got Victoria, Victoria, Victoria repeats. I want to identify all the records that basically repeat. So I'll highlight the column, conditional formatting, select highlight cells rules, and then I'm going to select duplicate values and click OK. And basically what this gives me is the duplicate values that exist here. So I can actually delete easily and quickly the duplicate values. Let's delete that. And then now I know that Victoria only appears once. If somebody else appears again, so if I change that to, let's say, 2, David Green, I'm going to save his record. Now David is appearing twice, so then I can actually go here very quickly and delete his duplicate record. As soon as I remove the duplicate record, then the other record appears as a normal color. So conditional formatting is a very powerful tool which enables you to basically identify things very easily and quickly. You can use icons as well. There is lots of different things that you can actually do, which I'm not going to cover everything in this tutorial. This tutorial is all about you understanding where conditional formatting is used. So I will encourage you to basically have a play around with all these options available so you can actually figure out, what every single option does and how it works. Now, if you want to remove all the conditional formatting, so let's say, for instance, let's put some extra records there. So if you would like to remove all the conditional formatting from the whole worksheet, you can always go to the conditional formatting and select clear rules. And here you have the option to actually select the particular cells, or entire worksheet. So clear rules from a selected cell. So I'm just going to click here, these cells here. So I'm going to go there, clear rule from a selected cell. So if I Control Z to undo, I can actually now go to conditional formatting. I'm going to select clear rules from the entire worksheet, and then all the rules now have gone. So this is how you apply conditional formatting. I hope you've learned something new today. I hope you will be able to use these great skills of yours onto your project to create something very powerful. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.